Hello my JV friends, I'm back again with another big moneymaker launch for you. First, thank you all for the amazing support. So back to the launch, I want to invite you to my next big launch, and just like my last few launches, this is gonna be a massive converter. And regarding the product, ask your customers if they are still falling prey to outdated, costly or non-working AI tools that are way too complex and never give real results. If that's the case, and if that's what bothers your customer, then I'm here to help you out with my latest offer. Allow me to introduce Propel AI Kit, the future of AI tools. It's the first to market, complete newbie-friendly tech that comes loaded with over 200 business-boosting AI tools, like that gives your customer a long-term income along with business growth in a cost-effective manner, as only a one-time payment is required. So by using this, your customer can automate their daily tasks and even make real money without depending on any expensive third-party tools or paying up for expensive subscriptions. So you know what the best part is? You don't need to be a hardcore techie to use it. Just follow 3 steps and your customers will be up and running like never before. Again, the product name is Propel AI Kit and it goes live by 10 AM EST on 24th May only in Barrier Plus. So, as you know me, I have done over 50 plus launches and over $8 million in revenue in last few years. I really know what works well and I really know how to bring magic to the launch. Like, this is kind of a very special launch, and we have done many things like creating separate pages for software affiliates, MMO affiliates and a mixed version. So trust me, this is gonna convert like anything you have seen till date. And just hit me up if you ever need anything for this promo. This is gonna make you and mint you big money. So please mark the date, May 24, 10 AM EST, and the product name is Propel AI Kit. And this goes live only on Barrier Plus. Bye bye.